I appreciate that it's, you know, real simple packaging. Yeah. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are new to Walmart Beauty subscription, they are all products that are typically travel or trial size, and they are products that you can purchase at Walmart. I really enjoyed this subscription box because I know that if I enjoy a product afterwards, I know where exactly I can purchase it. Many times, as a lot of us know, if we get a subscription box, we like a product and we can't always find it. It is on an obscure website or it's just really difficult to find. So it looks like there's Nivea. So perhaps there's Nivea product. It's sponsored by Nivea. I'm not sure. So it says, embrace your beauty this season. Show off your fabulous self. And so it looks like the tissue paper this for the fall season is, it says Nivea all over it. Moisture, Aloe Vera soothing. You have a little paper in here that says embrace your beauty. It gives you rate and review this fall's products. I always forget to do that because that's new, where you can rate and review the products. That's new to this Walmart Beauty box. I've been getting them for probably about 2 years, 2+ years. There's a survey, enter to win a $100 gift card. So I'm gonna make sure I keep this on my vanity, so I do that. So I'm just gonna dive right in. It seems like there's a bunch of stuff in here this time. Awesome. All right, so the first thing in here is a little packet of the Nivea 48-hour Aloe Vera body lotion. So I've never heard of this. I mean, I've heard of Nivea, but I haven't heard of this particular product. It looks like it's new. 48 hours soothing moisture, fast absorption, deep moisture serum. I'm really interested to try that. This says it's a light skin feeling, it's fast absorption, because I like to put on clothes quickly after putting on body lotion, and I don't always like it to then get onto my clothes and my clothes absorb the product. So really interested to try this. Next we have in here a 1 ounce bar of the Cetaphil Gentle Cleansing Bar for dry, sensitive skin. So that is great. I've not actually tried the Gentle Cleansing Bar. So this is formula. You can use this for face and full body cleansing in the bath and shower. So that's great. Next in here, oh, I've heard about this. This is the all-in-one Biore Charcoal Micellar Water. It is 2.5 fluid ounces. You guys can see that. It's like, you know, charcoal. It's like a black charcoal water. That should be fun. I love this little size with the little pump. That's going to be great to try. Ooh, I'm excited. Next in here is a Maybelline Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner. Ooh, sample black, 0.02 fluid ounces, so it's a little tiny one. And there is a little flyer in here about the Maybelline Master Precise Liner. All day wear, waterproof, ultra precise liquid liner, easy control grip. So it looks like we are missing the easy control easy control grip from the sample one. You can kind of see that there. But I'll just give this a quick, wow, look at that. Oh, might help if I put it into the camera view. Ooh, that looks great. Oh, I cannot wait to play with that. Yes. And it looks like it's drying down to be like, I'll watch it a little bit, but it looks like it's like a demi matte. So it's not super matte, but it's still kind of shiny, but not super glossy. Next in here is we have a sample of the Maybelline Very Black Great Lash. Classic mascara, always great to have. So here's another little pamphlet for that. Forever a fan favorite. That's a hashtag fact. 1 tube sold every 2 seconds. 40,000 tubes sold a day. Did not know that. Here's a little pamphlet flyer on the Aloe Vera by Nivea. Just a little, I guess they have a whole new line of the 48-hour deep moisture. They have a cocoa butter, a shea butter, essentially enriched, and in original daily moisture. So the aloe vera is for normal to dry skin. The whole range. Sometimes, you know, I'm on the fence with these little flyers. I could live without them, but in this case, especially for it being a new product, I wouldn't have known about these other new like varieties in the 48 moisture line. And sometimes you go to the store and they might not have all of the range. So it is good to have, especially if they are informative. And with like this liquid eyeliner, you know, the sample size doesn't have that, you know, grip. So knowing that, you know, if I was trying this liner out and I was having a hard time gripping it, and that was my turn off from buying it, but then knowing that the full size has this, you know, enhanced grip, okay, that makes sense. So things like that are a reason why that sometimes those pamphlets are good. We have by Sue a My Collagen Hydrogel Lip Patch. I love these things. They're so fun to wear. They're great, ultra soothing, different than a lip mask. Soothing moisture pumped lips. So this I will definitely use. I'm very excited to try this. This is a made in Korea product, just so Korean beauty. A little pamphlet on the Cetaphil line, and it talks about some other products. Looks like I got the Gentle Cleansing Bar. I'm not sure. Some people maybe got the Hydrating Eye Cream as an option. So it just talks about some points. Especially formulated with 5 nourishing ingredients, suitable for all skin types, etc. There's that. We have by La Bella, I've never heard of this brand, a soothing shampoo with avocado oil, and then a Max Whole styling gel with avocado oil. So I'll probably try the shampoo. I'm not so sure I will use the styling gel. It's just not something I typically use. I got another one of the Kleenex wet wipes, 8 count. I got this in my last Walmart beauty box. These are great, so I'm not going to complain. These are always great to have. So those are always fabulous. And then we got a hydrating cactus and cloudberry water gel mask. It's a leave-on mask that you leave on for optimal results, or rinse off with warm water. Instantly refreshes, brightens for nourished skin. So this is, I've never heard of this this mask before, so this must be new. So this is great. I was a little bit disappointed with last month's box. I felt like there wasn't a lot of samples. This month we have, let me get all these little flyers. So we have the wet wipes. It's a repeat, but I'm okay with that. We have the mask. We have the shampoo and the styling gel. The styling gel is, that's not for everyone. But, you know, you still have a shampoo product, so it's 3. We have a hydrogel lip mask. It's 4. Mascara and a liquid eyeliner. So that's 5, 6. We have the cleansing bar, 7. We have this sample of the Nivea Aloe Vera, 8, and then we have the Micellar. So I am super excited. I'm excited to play with this liquid eyeliner. I'm excited about the Biore Charcoal Micellar Water, the lip mask, and this Aloe Vera product. I'm always, interested to try new body products. And then the Kleenex wipes, you can't go wrong. So that is it for my Walmart beauty box, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!